Hey again, friends. I'm here today to show you how to make one of my favorite Better Homes recipes, pork carnitas. The only difference is when I make it at home, I use an Instapot. This recipe is one of my faves because it's so versatile. I'm talking breakfast, lunch, and dinner versatile. You can do it on a tostada with a fried egg for breakfast, tacos for lunch, nachos for dinner, burrito for second dinner. I mean, seriously, the possibilities are endless with this recipe. All right, guys, we're gonna start with the sauce first. So in a blender, you wanna add water, onion, garlic, salt, marjoram, thyme, pepper, cumin, and 4 whole cloves with the stems removed. You want to blend all that up and then just set it aside until you need it. Since I'm going to use the pressure cooker for this recipe, I'm going to brown my pork in here also. Add a little bit of vegetable oil to the bottom. And once it gets hot, I'm going to add my pork in a single layer. Try not to overcrowd because then it ends up steaming and not browning, and we don't want that. I'm going to season each batch of pork with a little bit of salt and pepper just for a little more flavor. Once all my pork is brown, I'm going to bring it all back to the pot, add my onion mixture that we blended earlier, a couple bay leaves, some orange juice, and just a couple tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk to round out all these flavors. Now I'm just going to pop the lid on and cook on high pressure for about 1 hour. After that hour is up, we're going to give it a 20-minute natural release before we pop the lid off. Now I'm just going to move all of my pork pieces into this big bowl and shred it with 2 forks. I wouldn't get rid of the cooking liquid just yet because I like to spoon a little over the pork just to keep it moist. This recipe is one of my faves simply because it's so versatile. We do it on tacos, burritos. Sometimes we do it on nachos, which is my personal fave. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed these tacos. See you later.